Alright guys, well, I got a little ahead of myself after I tore the old turbo off. I ended up installing the new one, ran into a few problems along the way, and between the windstorms and bad weather, I just didn't end up recording anything. But the new turbo is installed. It is a dual ceramic ball bearing. I'm not running any water cooling on it right now. It is, see if I can get the model number here for you. TRTS 1050. It's supposed to be good for like 480 at the wheels. I was running it at 12.5 psi on low boost and 17.5 on high boost. We did a few pulls tonight with it just to see how it did. It's doing very well. We actually had to turn down the boost controller because it was making more boost than the original journal bearing turbo setup was. Due to the larger back half is why I'm thinking it was making more boost per the same settings. But yeah, she's all good now, man. I got a tial wastegate on there finally. Between the tial wastegate and the $2,000 turbo, the turbo and wastegate costs more than the entire car. It's a junkyard block with like 140,000 miles on it. I ported the head myself. I mean, yeah, bare bones Kia engine. She's ready to rock, guys. I'll post a new video of doing some pulls tomorrow if I get the chance, but we've been having some really bad weather. Later.